Hi, and thank you for checking out the Sanvia Pro Results Single Waver. This is a super versatile tool because the U-shaped plates have an awesome bevel to them, and with that bevel, it creates a lot of creative opportunities without getting creases in the hair. Depending on your section size and depending on how long you leave the iron clamped, you can make very, very soft, natural looking waves, or you can create a very defined texture in the hair. Now, as with all of our tools, the health of the hair is a huge priority. So you do have ceramic coated plates, which helps to buffer the hair, and you have 5 different heat settings, so you can really perfectly dial in the exact amount of heat you need for the fabric that you have. So you avoid overcooking the hair. And speaking of overcooking, you also don't want to overcook your house or your salon, so we did put a 60-minute built-in shut-off. So if you happen to leave it on the counter, don't worry, it'll shut itself off. And if you know our tools, you know that everything we design, we look to create the most ergonomic tool possible. So you do have these great finger grips here at the top if you need a little extra compression. You have a soft touch finish that feels great in the hand, a swivel cord that is very, 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 very long, so you don't have to get all tangled up in it. If you're looking to create anything from very soft to highly dimensional waves in a very easy package, the Sanvia Pro Results Single Waver is going to be a great choice for you. Thank you so much for watching.